Great headline here in Zai Crypto as Ripple moves to have the SEC's request to appeal XRP decision denied. After the court ruling confirming that SEC was not a security for secondary sales, we know that the SEC filed an appeal to that decision, and now XRP Ripple team has got a chance to reply. So the Ripple legal team has pushed back against the SEC, requesting to seek an interlocutory appeal in their ongoing legal fight, arguing that the regulator hasn't satisfied the requirements to file an appeal. Ripple has filed in opposition to the SEC request to appeal the ruling that San Francisco-based blockchain payments firm didn't break securities laws in making XRP available to retail traders by putting it on exchanges. So on Friday, the 1st of September, a new court document filed with the US District Court for the Southern District of New York. Ripple's lawyers have argued that the SEC grounds for an appeal primarily rested on dissatisfaction with the judge's decision that XRP is not necessarily security on its face. They further noted that the exceptional circumstances required for an interlocutory appeal are not present in the case, and urged the judge to request any such request to make an appeal or stay. It's been quoted to say that the SEC has not even attempted to meet the standard for a stay, even after the individual defendants identified the omission in their pre-motion letter. The individual defendants write separately to oppose the SEC's request, and Ripple joined that opposition. In August, America's top financial watchdog, the SEC, indicated that it was seeking an interlocutory appeal of Judge Torres' ruling, stating that the outcome of the Ripple suit could affect other pending cases involving leading cryptocurrency trading companies. Now, at the time, the Commission argued that an appellate review was warranted because they involved controlling questions of law as to which there are substantial grounds for a difference of opinion, and obtaining an appellate ruling on these issues now may materially advance the ultimate termination of litigation. Judge Annalisa Torres set a trial date for the case in the second quarter of 2024. The SEC has until September 9th to respond to Ripple's filing on Friday. So what is next? Having said that, the Friday filing is the latest turn in Ripple's protracted courtroom war with the SEC, which began with regulators sued for further tech in December 2020. The SEC accused Ripple and its two chief execs, CEO Brad Garlinghouse and exec chairman Chris Larsen, of raising $1.3 billion via the sale of an unregistered security in the form of the XRP token. In the midst of all the aforementioned events, XRP attorney John E. Deaton is convinced the SEC's request will not be granted, having been asked on Twitter on Saturday, "So John, this appeal doesn't get certified, right?" And John's replied, "In no way, in my opinion." So a really interesting headline. We were expecting a pushback from the Ripple team against the SEC to have their appeal denied. So we'll just have to watch and wait and see what happens. What do you think is going to happen, though? The trial is set for the second quarter of 2024. A lot can happen in the interim. What do you think is going to happen? Let me know. Like, follow, and comment for more.